Here I have FAIRPHONE 3, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you have to select your preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have one on you, you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you can set up date and time. Then you have Google services, just disable all these features, tap accept. Then you can set up your screen lock, but also you can skip this step for now and do this anytime later, or just don't do this at all. Then you can read all these beautiful text and get to know with your device, and then quit this menu like this. And now your device is ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.